I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way, I confess.
Hey guys, welcome to a productive day in my life. Today I want to take you along as I go through the little things that make up my day, one chore at a time.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free.
As I moved through my chores today, I had a moment to reflect and I realized how often we overlook the power of small, consistent actions. These little tasks like cleaning, organizing, tidying up, they might seem mundane, but they lay the foundation for a life that feels in balance. One of the things I've learned is that when you take care of your space, it begins to take care of you. There's something calming about knowing that everything has its place and that you've created a space that truly feels like home.
I thought Mama had promised me a mockingbird, and each note that she sings kind of reminds me of her. A brand new bottle tucked away behind my seat, and if I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me. There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing and friends have lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but be honest with each other from now on. And I took things for granted, now so much is gone. And I keep treading water, trying not to drown. I miss the people I know in this lonely town. I hope they know I love them, even if I'm not there now.
For the many years I've lived alone, I've learned to embrace the silence. It's taught me that solitude can be such a gift. I've found strength in being alone, a chance to understand myself better and to truly grow. One tip I'd share with anyone living alone is this. Don't wait for someone else to make your space feel special. Decorate, organize, and make it yours. Whether it's adding soft throw to your couch, placing flowers on your table, or hanging up art that makes you smile. These small touches can transform your home into a sanctuary. And guys, as I worked on my chores, I thought about how they've become more than just tasks. They've become rituals. There is a certain mindfulness that comes with cleaning. Folding clothes isn't just folding clothes. It's an act of resetting, of preparing for the days ahead. Washing dishes isn't just about cleanliness, it's about starting fresh. When you approach chores this way, they stop feeling like burdens and start feeling like acts of care. Care for your space, your peace, and yourself.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays.
Hey guys, today we're just indoors, and as I'm taking different shots of different activities, of me doing different activities, I'm just realizing how life is worth living, how solitude is the true meaning of self reflection, self growth, self determination, and like realizing yourself, self realization. And I'm like, yo, life is worth living every single minute. I mean, you have to decode your own epic. Anyway, guys, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, share with someone who likes indoor vlogs, indoor, who is a indoor body, life decor, cleaning and all that.
One lesson I've learned along the way is the value of pacing yourself. You don't have to do everything in one go. Break it down into manageable tasks. Yeah, like, yeah. And guys, make sure to celebrate each one you complete. Progress is still progress, no matter how small. And here is a tip for making chores feel less overwhelming. Play music, light a candle, or even listen to a motivational podcast while you work. It turns something ordinary into a moment of joy. And another thing that stood out to me today is how much growth can come from routine. Having a structure, even for the simplest things, as you've seen me write down everything, gives your day a rhythm. It's a reminder that life doesn't have to be extraordinary every day to be meaningful. Sometimes it's in the routine that we find stability and even inspiration.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
Over the years, I've also learned the importance of gratitude. While doing my chores today, I took a moment to be thankful. Thankful for my space, for the ability to care for it, and for the lesson this task teach me. Gratitude transforms how you see your responsibilities. It also makes you appreciate them instead of resenting them. And guys, as I close out my day, I want to leave you with this. Productivity isn't about being perfect or doing everything at once. It's about being intentional, doing what you can, and finding joy in the process. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to pause, breathe, and appreciate how far you've come. Every small act matters, and so do you.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
So far, so good. We've spent a day together, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope these reflections, lessons, and tips inspire you to embrace your routine with a fresh perspective. Remember, growth happens in the quiet, in the small moments, and in showing up every single day. Until next time, take care. Bye.